What are the key findings on the breeding biology of neotropical birds in field journals? If you're curious about the breeding habits of birds in the neotropics, you're in the right place. Let's explore some fascinating findings from recent field studies. In the neotropics, a significant portion of bird species, about 35%, nest in tree cavities. These cavities are a limited resource, and birds often compete for them, especially in humid forests. Research has shown that most of these cavities are not created by birds themselves, but rather by wood decay. For instance, in Rio Grande do Sul, Brazil, a comprehensive review of breeding records revealed that out of 532 potential breeding species, effective breeding evidence was found for 291 species. This study highlighted the importance of detailed observations, such as nests with eggs or young and dependent young outside the nest, to confirm breeding activity. These criteria help ensure that the breeding records are accurate and reliable. When it comes to nesting, the architecture and behavior vary widely among species. For example, some birds like the solitary tinamou lay eggs at the base of trees in deciduous subtropical forests. Others, like the rufous hornero, build bulky enclosed stick nests that are quite unique. Local communities and indigenous peoples play a crucial role in understanding these birds. Their traditional knowledge about the relationships between humans and cavity nesting birds is vital, but often overlooked. This knowledge can help in creating more effective conservation strategies and in understanding the ecological impact of human activities on bird populations. Field studies also emphasize the need to document breeding events rigorously, especially for species whose reproductive biology is poorly understood. This includes detailed records of nesting dates, clutch sizes, and the behavior of the birds during the breeding cycle. Such data are essential for improving avian life history theory and implementing sound conservation actions. In addition, the environment and vegetation management significantly influence cavity availability. For example, the behavior of avian excavators, like woodpeckers, and the common imaginaries of local people can interact to affect the availability of cavities. This interaction has ecological consequences for many cavity-using organisms. Future research should focus on integrating ethno-knowledge and natural history to create a more accurate list of cavity-nesting birds in the neotropics. It's also important to study the factors influencing cavity dynamics, particularly in arid and semi-arid regions, using a social ecological systems framework. By understanding these aspects of neotropical bird breeding biology, we can better protect these species and their habitats, ensuring their survival for generations to come.